Alright, Frankie, here's your new toy. Yamaha R6 YZF. It's got double bubble windscreen. It's called a double bubble because it's got the regular windscreen with another pop-up, which is nice. Don't get mad, but I broke her handle already. I already ordered red billet grips or levers, so they'll be good. They'll be in a couple days. I'll put them on. We got scratches. It's not a virgin. It's been road. Got scratches on the plate. Got an undertail kit with the LEDs. Nice set. Ripping the seat. Side covers scratched. Probably polish that out. It's been laid on the side with the other 6 months. So, 5 feet, man, it looks great. Up close, and you can see all the little dings and dents on it. Got the little ear index in the headlights. Aha! Digital dash.